Okay, there's the cake. Happy birthday, Lorraine. Okay, you want to carry it? Alex, you want to come carry cake? Please. And there's Taji and Logan. Okay, you guys have to go over there. Go sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lorraine. Happy birthday to you. Okay, you gotta blow the candles up in it.
You have a beer.
Don't forget the wine now. Wait, come on. Let her make her wish.
Holy.
Too many boyfriends acting like your sister. No, just kidding. I'm kidding.
You had 6 at once, and now you're 3?
You're supposed to blow them all out in one shot. You don't act like that anymore, okay, girl? No, just kidding. You don't start acting like that. Taj is your only boyfriend, right, Taj?
No.
Okay, we need a knife. Logan, can you get a knife?
Okay.
I'll wash some plates.
Actually,
Actually, how many do we have here? Here. That.
Alright.
And
yeah.
here you go, you can serve ice cream.
Birthday. You know why people get hurt with knives? It's because they're afraid of them.
Okay, I guess we'll use spoons. Use
You
spoons?
don't be afraid of a knife?
I don't know what kind of spoon you want. Big one like that?
Oh, man.
Yeah, man, Jack came at me with the knife.
I don't know how.
Oh my god.
I'm suicidal.
Okay, here, you gotta cut it.
My
Cut
throat
it.
hurts.
Here. Cut your name. You can
You're
cut.
so sick.
Yeah.
I almost got sick, actually. Buddy, you know how I did?
You're gonna
I
die.
took those
There
citron
you
pills
go.
and drank a lot of water in
Okay.
one day.
Coconut knife.